Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firebase Hosting and publish your web UI easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, visit the official Node. Next, open your command line interface. Type npm install g Firebase tools to install the Firebase CLI globally. After the installation completes, type Firebase login to authenticate your Firebase account. This will open a browser window prompting you to sign in. Once signed in, return to your command line. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. If you don't have a project set up yet, create a new folder for your web UI. Inside your project folder, type npm init to create a package.json file. Now, create your web UI files, including an HTML file, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you have your UI ready, we'll initialize Firebase Hosting. Run Firebase init in your project directory. Select the Firebase features you want to set up, focusing on hosting. Follow the prompts to link your project to the Firebase account and set up your configuration. When asked your public directory, specify where your web UI files are stored. For example, if you have an index.html file in the root, you can set it to . Next, choose whether to configure it as a single-page app. If it is, type yes when prompted. After setting everything up, your Firebase configuration files will be generated in your project folder. Now you are ready to deploy your web application. Type Firebase deploy in the command line. Wait for the deployment process to finish. Once completed, Firebase will provide you with a unique URL for your hosted web application. Open the provided URL in your browser to see your web UI live. Congratulations on successfully installing Firebase Hosting and deploying your web UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.